Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. If you are new, welcome. So today we are in the salon. I've decided to bring you along with me. We're doing a salon reorganization. We're going to do the two back rooms, but I'll keep you all updated as we're doing it. It's going to probably be about 2 or 3 parts because it is extremely long. There's so much to get through, but I hope you enjoy it. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's get into it. Okay, so because it is really long, we're going to do it in parts, like I was saying. So this salon is extremely messy, guys, so don't judge. This is what we're here for. So this is going to be a what's this going to be again? Oh, it's going to be a new room. So we're going to have nails in here. We're going to put a nail desk in here, and then this is another room that we have. This is our beauty studio that we call. This is for doing the makeup, and then these two are the brow bars, and then this part here that we use for doing eyelash extensions and lash lifts. So it all needs reorganized. It's all an absolute mess. With the coronavirus, we took it upon ourselves to take the opportunity to get the salon all painted and get everything ready. So we've got that done, and now it's time to get organizing.
You take my love for granted. Say a bunch of stuff you never mean, yeah. I think I need a minute to figure out my limits. You cross them more than once, yeah. You take my love for granted. We keep on talking from body to body, yeah. Getting closer to just being nothing else. I'm a sucker for your love, even though it's kind of toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch, that your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe.
Acting stupid, but being dumb. Maybe just a little bit foolish. I feel so young.
Drunk, I've never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning. So take me on a trip, now, trip. Oh, flick that switch, kill the lights. Oh, wasted. City lights are shining so bright. All these empty faces, we don't care about them tonight. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, cause when we're doing our thing, we're the wheels that won't stop turning. I know we're acting stupid,